Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Did you know that the Bolex H-16 reflex camera and this 35mm Zenit old vintage body share something in common? It's true. Gonna show you what that is. Okay, let's say hypothetically that you've lost one of your turret prism screws. Inside of here there's a prism with pads on it. This is why you don't want to bang the Bolex around. They can give you image problems. Anyway, you have 1, 2, 3 screws, micro screws that go into here. And if you lose one, you can actually take one of the screws from the 130 Zenit vintage camera body. Let me show you. Okay, so right here there's a black screw. You can see that one, and another one here, 2. And those screws are the exact type that go inside your Bolex prism turret. So you only have 2 that you can use. But if you're out at a yard sale or flea market or somewhere like that, swap meet, you see one of these cameras for sale for really cheap, just take out this screw. Buy the camera body. Buy all these camera bodies, because I'm going to show you how you can use them for a lot of different things. So you want to insert the micro screw from the 130 Zenit camera body here, right at the end of my pencil eraser. Put the screw right in there, and with your micro screwdriver, get it fairly snug. In a Bolex, remember, the screws do not need to be overly tight. Alright, and that's it. So you probably paid about $5–10 for the Zenit camera body, and you got 2 extra pieces. Also, I'm going to have to show you how you can make some money off of that Zenit camera body. So what else can you do with this camera body? Well, you can sell the entire body, or you can sell it individually for parts. I have a FB group titled The Camera Graveyard, and you're welcome to post these camera bodies that they don't even work at all. They're totally broken, and you can sell it for parts. Someone will need the parts, as we all know. The only rule is you can't post anything over $10 or 500 Filipino pesos. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe, click that bell, and subscribe, like, comment, and share. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. See ya!